Okay, exchange rate we completed. Yes, Algan is present? No.
Yes. No, ma'am.
No.
Akshaj.
Abhinav Krishna also no.
Akshaj.
The first A's are very much absent also.
A's are always absent.
Everything they are late. Aiden,
Ma'am, Akshaj present. Akshaj.
Akshaj.
Present, ma'am.
Present. No. Egaraj also not present. First three. Algan, Abhinav, Aiden, Egaraj. 4. Yes, Akshaj, you can read the first problem first.
Ma'am, it is a multiple choice, right?
No, yes, multiple choice.
Ma'am, can I?
No. We
Ma'am,
can go
what did you
according to roll
write the
numbers.
answers on the board?
We can go according to the roll numbers. Otherwise, many of them will be missing the chance. Yes. Tell me first one. Akshaj, read the first one.
Multiplication.
Yes. Part 2.
Multiple choice.
Part 2.
Multiple choice question.
Chapter 8.
Ma'am, he's telling multiple choice.
Multiplication choice question.
Ma'am,
No.
He's asking what he is asking.
he's telling
he is
multiplication choice question.
Multiple choice question, not multiplication choice question. Multiple choice. Multiple. Okay, first one.
200
Yes, Akshaj, you can read now.
200.20 plus 100.10 is dash.
So, how I told you to read the decimal 200.20 plus
200.20
100.10.
100.20 plus 100.10. How much you will get, Ritu?
300.30.
300.30.
300.30. So, which option is correct there, Alvina?
C.
Option C. First one is option C.
C. 200 divided by 10. Sorry, ma'am.
First one is option C. Yes, second question, Alvina, you can read the second question.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. 200 divided by 10 is
What is 200 divided by 10?
20.
20.
Yes,
20.
20. Which option is correct, Mabel?
A. Option A.
Option A.
Ma'am, that is an easy question.
Easy question, yes. Yes, Ananda Krishna is present from morning. He was not there. Anay, you can
Yes,
read the third. Yes, you can read the third question. Yes, Anay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
100.10 into 10
Yes.
multiplied by 20.
Into 100.10 into 20. Into. If you are
Option
saying
C.
like this, you can read it as into 100.10 into 20. So how will you multiply this? 100 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here also 0, 2. 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2. 2002. Yes. Which option is correct there, Ane?
B. Option B.
B.
Option B.
Ma'am, I was correct.
You wrote correct. Okay. Angelo, what is the next question?
If the cost of 3 pencil is rupees 6, then the cost of 2 pencil is dash.
Yes. How much you will get? Can you tell me?
4.
Yes, 4 rupees. How you got it?
First you should
divide 6 by 3. 6 by 3. What is 6 by 3? 2. Then 2
Two.
into 2 will be 4. Which option is correct there? Fourth one?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A.
Ma'am, you already wrote.
Which one? You already wrote the answers. Okay, very good. Next one, who is that? Binno?
This is Binu's.
Binnu, you can read the fifth one. Binnu, are you there? He is not there.
No, ma'am.
Ethan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah.
he is there, but
there, but
he
he's
didn't
not
connect to
there.
audio. So he can't hear you.
He cannot speak. Ethan, you can read the fifth next problem.
We can define the value of a single unit from the value of many units. We use dash.
What it is called? We use division method. Division.
You can.
Yes, you have to use division.
Option A.
Option A. Fifth one is option A.
The sixth one also.
Yes.
Next person should read now.
Yes, Evangel. Evangel, you can read the next question. Evangel.
He is not responding. He never
Is not responding. Evangel, next one. Krishnesh, you can read the sixth question.
To
Krishnesh.
find,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Read the next
To
question.
To find the value of many units from the value of single unit, we use
Which one?
multiplication.
Yes, we use multiplication.
Multiplication.
Which option is correct? Option
B.
option D. D.
Ma'am, the next one, fill in the blanks.
Yes, next one. Next one, who is there now? Krishnesh, Leon, Leon no. Leon is present?
Ma'am, Len is present. Ma'am, Len
Then,
is
yes, Len Shibin, you can say no.
Ma'am, seventh one.
Ah.
If the cost of 4 chocolate is rupees 112,
Yes.
the cost of 5 chocolate is
How much?
Ma'am, I got that.
Yes.
Ma'am,
4 chocolates. is-
15.
Yes, very good. How you got it? 4 chocolates is 12 rupees. So cost of 1 chocolate will be what? 3 rupees. So what is the total?
Multiply 4.
Yes, 15 rupees. You have to fill up. Rupees
4 into 12.
15 rupees.
Ma'am, the next question.
Yes, Mabel Lijo is present. Mabel Lijo, can you read the next one?
Ma'am,
Eight.
Leon is present.
Leon read now. Leon is present.
No, ma'am, Len read. Len.
Yes, Leon.
Method of finding the value of dash unit and then finding the value of many unit is called unit.
Yes, correct. Unitary method. Unitary method, correct.
The word is single.
Yes.
Single.
What?
Single unit.
The method of finding the value of 1 unit and then finding the value of many units is called unitary. One method. One.
Ma'am, I thought just single.
Yes, one.
Yes, ma'am. Isn't it single?
Single also you can write.
Okay.
I wrote single.
In the definition it is single, no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, Mabel Lijo, you can read the next one.
Ma'am, we want to write 1.
Yes, 1.
If the cost of 8 steps in 8 rupees, the cost of 6 steps in dash.
6 rupees.
Yes. The cost of 8 stamps is rupees 8. Then the cost of 6 stamps is what? 6 rupees.
6 rupees.
6 rupees.
This was a very easy question.
Very easy question. Yes. Nainika, you can read the next question, 10th one.
A man spends rupees 64 in 8 hours. How much money does he spend in 5 hours?
Yes. Who is he to spend so much money? In 8 hours? No. How much money in 64 hours he is spending? How much rupees?
64.
Rupees 64 in 8 hours he is spending. Sitting and spending money, I think. So in 1 hour, how much he will spend?
And 1 rupee.
No, 8 hours he is spending 64 rupees. So in 1 hour, how much he will spend? 8 rupees. In 1 hour, he is spending 8 rupees. In 1 day, how much he will spend? Very good. Very good. He will save nicely. In 1 hour, he is 1 hour he is sitting at home. What he is eating or what he is doing, don't know. In 1 hour, he is spending 8 rupees.
8
So in
rupees.
8 hours, how much he will spend? No, in 5 hours, how much he will spend? 40 rupees.
Please.
40 rupees.
40.
Ma'am, we can also put the
Niranjan?
rupee symbol, right?
Yes,
That means
40
next is
rupees.
the woman earns.
Ma'am, we can also write the symbol of rupee
Yes, you
instead
can
of
read.
RS.
Yes. Niranjan, you can read the next one. Niranjan,
Yes, ma'am. A
can you
man,
read the next one?
11th one.
Yes, 11th one.
A woman earns 120 rupees in 10 hours.
Hmm.
How much will she earn in 4 hours?
Can you tell me? Totally 120 rupees she is earning in how many hours?
She's working so hard and she only
She is working so hard. So it will come as 12 rupees in 1 hour. She is earning 12 rupees in 1 hour. 1 hour she is earning 12 rupees.
so bad.
1 day how much she will earn? 24 into 12.
No, she's getting for.
Okay, 388 she is earning. Okay, now that much she is earning in 1 day. Now how much she will earn in 4 hours? That is the question. In 1 hour, how much she is earning? You got?
Yes,
And
12.
12 rupees.
40 rupees, ma'am.
12 rupees in
Ma'am, 48.
4 hours. He will spend. She is earning 48 rupees. So only you have to write rupees 48. No need of steps there because it is a fill in the blanks question. Yes. Now Nainika, Niranjan over Payal. Next question. 12th one.
He is running to some.
Not he.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
So let's go to the. What is
Yes,
that?
Payal. Next one. 12th one.
Ma'am, I should read.
Yes.
9 mugs cost 99. What is the cost of 3 mugs?
Yes.
33.
33 rupees. 9 mugs means 99 divided by 9 you will get how much rupees? 11 rupees for 1 mug. So like that, what is the cost of 3 mugs? So how much rupees? 33 rupees.
Ma'am, he earns little money only.
33 rupees. Next one,
Ma'am, I
our
don't understand the 12th question's answer.
33 rupees. 99, cost of 9 mug is 99 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 mug? 99 divided by 9 rupees. You will get it as 11 rupees. 11 into 3. What is 11 into 3?
33.
33 rupees. Payal read. Next one, Nia. Now you have to write the steps because it is a 2 marks question. You have to write the steps now. Next problem onwards. Yes, Nia.
The cost of
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes, Nia, are you reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The cost of 15 chocolates.
The cost of
The cost of 15 chocolates.
yes. She is reading.
His sound is
Ma'am.
breaking.
Can you hear?
No.
No. Yes, after next after her some connection problem, I think. Ritu, you can read the next this question, and
Okay,
next
ma'am.
question they will read. Okay.
The cost of 15 chocolates is rupees 135.
Yes.
What is the cost of 21 chocolates?
So what you will write the steps now?
Cost of
First step, you have to write the
cost
steps
of
there.
15
Cost of
chocolates.
15
15
chocolates.
chocolates.
Shall I rub it all?
Ma'am, we are writing
Yes, ma'am.
30th question.
Yes. Cost of 13 chocolates.
15.
15.
15 chocolates, ma'am. Cost of
How much? Rupees 135. So what is the next step you will write? Cost of
Cost of 1 chocolate.
rupees
cost of divided by 15. How much you will get if you are dividing by 15 tables? You have to write it 135 divided by 15. Only 9. 9 rupees is the cost of 1 chocolate.
rupees 9.
Rupees 9.
You can also write 9 rupees.
Yes. Next one. Then what is the last step you will write? Cost of
21 chocolates. 21 chocolates.
21 chocolates is equal to
Cost of 21 chocolates rupees. We can write the symbol also, ma'am.
yes, you can write the symbol also. Shabari Krishna, you can read the next problem, Shabari.
I'm writing rupees 5. Ma'am, rupees 5.
Which 5?
Ma'am, at the last one it's rupees 5.
108. Where is 9 rupees? Shabari, you can read the 14th problem now.
The cost of 20 mangoes is 400.
Yes.
What is the cost of 12 mangoes?
Yes. What are the steps you will write?
Cost of 20 mangoes
Yes, very good. Excellent.
is 400.
400. Then cost of 1 mango. Shall I rub 13th one? All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, 14th one you can write. Cost of
20 mangoes.
Cost of 20 mangoes.
20
400.
mangoes.
Is equal to
Mangoes.
400.
Mangoes is 400.
Cost of
1 mango.
1 mango is equal to
Cost
400.
of 1 mango is
So what you will get here? You will get it as 20.
cost of 20 mangoes.
Next step, what is the final step you will write? Cost of 12 mangoes.
And
12 into 20, you will get it as 240 rupees.
cost
Hiding
of
on the first one.
Which one?
What is the answer? The cost of one mango is equal to
400 divided by 20. 400 you should divide by 20. So 20 into, or you can write it as 40 divided by 2. Because 1 0 will get cancelled, you will get 20. 20 into 20 will be 400. Yes, Ira, Shabari read now. Samuel, you can read the next one. 15th one.
The total cost of 24 boxes is 480 rupees.
Yes.
How many boxes can be bought for 1,280 rupees?
Yes. How will you find out? What are the steps you will write? Cost of 24 boxes. First step you write. So cost of 1 box. Did you complete 14th one? All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who did not complete? Yes, Samuel, can you tell me the steps now? Yes, Nia, can you tell me the steps for 15th one?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I'm talking to someone.
On the phone.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
she can hear us.
15th question now.
Yes.
Did you complete it?
Yes,
No, we are going to write.
14th question I completed.
Yeah, then explain.
Yes. So what are steps you will write now? Yes, who read now? Samuel, can you tell me the steps? Shall I repeat 14th one?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, 14th one. Total cost of 24 boxes. 15th one, A part. Cost of 24 boxes. Is equal to rupees 480. Cost of 24 boxes is rupees 480. What is the next step you will write?
Cost of one box.
Yes, cost of 1 box is equal to 480 divided by 24. How many times it will come? 480 divided by 24. 24 into 1, 24. 24 into 2 is 48. So you can write it as 2. So 48, again you will get it as 20. ₹20 is the cost of 1 box.
One box. Ma'am, finish.
Cost of 1 box is rupees 24. Then the question is little bit different because the cost of 1 box is 24 rupees they told. How many such boxes can be bought for rupees 1280? So what you should do here, multiply or divide?
Multiply.
No, because
Divide.
That is the little bit difference in this problem. So next one, number of boxes.
And we should write this again.
Yes, you have to write it. Number of boxes is equal to 1280 divided by 20. So if you are dividing, you will get 1280 divided by 20.
First we
Six times you will get 120, 80,
and the remainder is 0.
so I'll get it as 64.
Finish.
Send the notes in WhatsApp.
I did
Who is
not.
asking now?
No, I did not complete the first one because I had some network issue.
Yes.
Can you show the first word? No, not the first one. A 15.
First one answer.
Cost of 20.
First step you need.
Yeah, I know, ma'am. I want 15A1.
15th A1, first step.
Cost of 24 boxes. A second line, cost of 1 boxes. The divide.
Is 24.
Cost of 24 boxes is, what is the cost of 24 boxes? Rupees 480 rupees. Then you write cost of one box, how you are doing in the previous problem. Little bit difference is there. How many boxes he bought for rupees 1280? That is the problem they asked.
Answer is
Yes, answer is
44
64 boxes,
64
not rupees. This is 64 boxes he bought.
boxes.
Yes, Noel, can you read the B part now? Here it is a direct problem, no problem for it. Yes, B part.
The total cost of 50 bags is 555 rupees. What is the cost of 32 bags?
Yes, tell me now.
The total cost of 50 bags is 555,
Yes.
and the cost of 32 bags is
32. So first step, what you will write there? Cost of, shall I repeat? Cost of 15 bags.
15 bags.
Rupees 555. Then cost of one bag.
Cost of 15 bags.
After that is cost of one
Yes.
bag, right? Cost of 15,
What is the cost of 15 bags?
555
Yes,
rupees.
555 rupees, 555. Then you
Next
write
is cost of one
cost
bag.
of one bag, 555 divided by 15.
37, ma'am.
Yes, you will get correct. 105, so 37. 37 rupees is the cost of one bag. So it is a direct question. What is the cost of 32 bags? Then you write cost of 32 bags, 37 into 32. You should multiply and write.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer you got?
1184.
Yes, correct.
ഡെല്ലാണോ എടുക്കണ്ട
Nia,
Ma'am, I know the answer.
heard you.
Yes.
Now she was telling something about Delna Sunny.
Yes, Delna is calling her, I think.
Yeah, and
Delna
she's
is calling
telling,
her and she is telling don't take her phone. Delna is-
telling Dylan ആരെങ്കിലും എടുക്കണ്ട.
When I
Delna means
she
don't take it
called,
because
that's
she is
why I
attending
said
one
don't
class.
take that.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
share the board?
No, ma'am.
What is the answer you got? 1,000?
Rupees 1,100.
1,184.
Rupees 1,184.
Ma'am, only 4 more
Ma'am,
minutes.
finish.
Only 4 more minutes. We can complete one more problem, that topic, no? 16th
Yes,
one.
ma'am, we can complete.
Yes.
Yes. Now 3 more minutes.
3 more minutes. Because again, you can start application level question on Monday. Monday, no, tomorrow also class is there, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tomorrow also you are having class, no problem. So tomorrow only can you do the seminar? Tomorrow not necessary.
Ma'am, can I do seminar tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow only you can do the seminar now. Tomorrow 2 periods are
Ma'am,
there.
we have only 2
Okay,
minutes.
ma'am.
Tomorrow
have
2
to
periods. Tomorrow only you can do the seminar and we can complete the seminar from all. Those who did not complete, you should tell me the names. When you have to complete it soon.
I want to do tomorrow, Ritu.
Yes, Ritu, Alvina, no. Who is that?
Ma'am, Alvina.
Ma'am, I am there.
Payal.
Ma'am, Alvina is there. You
Yes,
told
Alvina,
me.
you can do it. Any
Okay.
others are ready tomorrow?
Which chapter, ma'am?
Money chapter. Okay. So 3 students. Nainika, did you complete seminar?
No, ma'am, she did
No,
not do
you
it.
can complete. Okay, the cost of 36 apples is rupees 1,080. How many apples can be bought for rupees 1,400?
Cost of 36
Yes,
apples. is
cost of 36 apples you can write first step.
It's 16th question.
Yes, 16th one. Cost of 36 apples is equal to rupees 1,080. Therefore, cost of 1 apple 1,080 divided by 36. You will get the answer as 30 rupees. Rupees 30. Therefore, here also problem little bit twisted. Next one, how many apples can be bought for rupees 1,400? So next one you can write number of apples is equal to 1,440 divided by 30. You will get it as 48 rupees. 48. Not
Ma'am,
rupees,
48.
number. 48 in number.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes.
I'm only 1 more minute.
1 more minute. We can complete it again. Tomorrow we can start the fresh problem. Shall I complete it within 1 minute?
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
Ma'am, finish. That the time for
That is direct question. Cost of
Okay, ma'am, it's okay. You can do it.
27 peers. All steps you are knowing. Only thing you have to write it 6. If you are not completed, you complete it. 621. Cost of 1 peer is equal to 621 by
It's okay.
27. How much you will get?
Ma'am, this is 5th question.
Yes. 223 will get.
Cost of 1 pear
23.
is equal to 23 rupees. Then next one.
Yes. Next one you write. Cost of 35 peers
Of 25
is equal to 35 into 23. You have to multiply and do it.
35 into 23.
35 into. So we can start from 17th tomorrow. 4 more problems are remaining. Okay, shall we wind up? Already time over. So many are waiting.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
See you
you.
in the next class.